Outdoor exercise brings me joy and my body appreciates it. My mind relaxes and becomes cleaner, and it's worth it. Exercise helps keep my whole body toned and feeling energized throughout the day. You can feel the fresh air awakening every cell in your body. And that's one of the reasons to focus on your body. You will more listen during your travels and will fully enjoy the beauty of this incredible world. And of course, the most important part of the whole exercise is squats. Your legs will continue to keep their shape. Now your morning workout has definitely paid off. What do you think? I'm new here and this is my first English video and I would really appreciate your support. Please follow me and like this video. Thanks for watching. Your Mia.